Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Efuru. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new Anastasia Soft Glam 2 Mini Palette, and I also have the new Haute Holiday Lip Gloss Set. So if you would like to see how beautiful these two new products apply, please keep on watching. I'm gonna get right into the new Mini Soft Glam palette. I purchased this from Ulta for $29 with my money, and that's why I came to share my honest review and thoughts on this new palette.
Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
And it's the same color as the Soft Glam palette. Like side by side how big it is to the regular Anastasia palette. So this is the Soft Glam and this is the regular size of the Anastasia palette. This is the Jackie Aina palette. For an opening, you get your mirror on this side and you get 8 beautiful colors in here. You have 6 matte colors and 2 shimmer.
Light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy, but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
As you see, the eyeshadow applied beautiful. I am gonna get into the swatches of the palette.
Roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into it.
As you see, everything swatched beautiful. I am gonna get into the gloss kit. You get 4 different mini glosses in here.
I'm coming home.
Really lovely colors. Neutral. Goes perfectly with the palette as a set.
Savannah, light is gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
As once you see everything applied beautiful, when I apply the eyeshadow, this applied seamless. This is good for traveling. This is a neutral palette. One of the Anastasia palettes that I don't have. I have maybe about 8 I have 11 Anastasia palettes, but this is one of them that I don't have. So that's the reason why I picked it up. And I also love how small it was for traveling. It is a neutral palette, but there's a black in here which I use to create this darker look. The black that's in here, Noir, was also in the Sultry palette. I paid $29 for this palette from Haute. I will highly recommend this to anyone who loves Anastasia palettes, anyone who loves neutral palettes. I am hoping to see more of these small mini palettes, and actually all of their palettes. I will buy it. As far as the lip glosses, they're beautiful. They apply smooth and soft. If you have dried lips, I highly recommend this to you, as all Anastasia lip glosses are very hydrating and smooth and super soft. Even the ones with the glitter in it, you don't feel the glitter at all, so it's super comfortable, which I love. And it's absolutely nothing bad that I can really say about these two new products from Anastasia. But if you love Anastasia products, definitely go out and get it, as these are limited editions. Like I said, I will highly recommend this to anyone who loves Anastasia products, anyone who loves talc-free eyeshadow, as most of Anastasia palettes are talc-free palettes, as I don't use products with talc. I try to stay away from those. And if there's anything at all that I didn't mention about these two new products, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and to subscribe, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.